In a kitchen showdown full of heat, who will serve the smartest treat? Flames or sun, let's taste and see. This is cooking efficiently. In a kitchen showdown full of heat.
Today, Energy and Action Team becomes the stage for the biggest cooking competition ever, MasterCook. Let us hear a round of applauses for our jury.
Let's cook. Today we have a big cooking contest.
Yes, but in this competition we take into account two factors.
We take into account who can cook a tasty cake in an energy-efficient way.
Taste and energy, a challenge for our chefs.
Let's meet them.
Hello, I am Sunny, chef of clean energy and soar efficiency.
Hi, I am Gassy, chef of waste and chaotic burning.
A sweet, tasty, and energy-efficient cake. 3, 2, 1, let's cook.
Parts, more gas. This is how you cook with raw power.
Bosch Robot, program cake to 15 minutes. Start. This is efficiency.
Where did I put the wooden spoon? Why is this boiling so much? I think I overdid it in the heat.
This is so easy to use the Bosch Robot. Let me show how easy it is with a small quiz. This is so easy that I have even time to see the Energy in Action YouTube channel. Subscribe it.
I need more time. More extra time. This is chaotic. Help. This is all on fire.
Chefs, put cakes on the oven.
And it is done. Tasty and energetic efficiency.
Oh no! This did not work very well. I think the cake is overdone.
As you can see, Gassy's cake is overcooked. No flavor and lots of energy wasted.
On the other hand, Sunny's cake is delicious and the cooking was very energy efficient.
And the winner of MasterCook is Chef Sunny.
Cook better. Cook smart. Cook with Bosch. Join the Energy in Action team. Because energy efficient is also delicious.
Together we are strong, we will stand tall. Pollution and waste will stop them all. With sun, wind, and water working right, we'll make the planet clean and bright. Even more energetic. Even more energetic. Let's shine together.